Meaning of fruiterer.
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 Fruiter.
Fruiterer. Fruiterer refers to a person who sells fruits and vegetables, often in a specialized shop or market stall. The term is derived from the word fruit, as fruits are typically the main product sold by fruiterers. Fruiterers may also sell other produce such as nuts, herbs, and flowers. They are responsible for selecting, purchasing, and displaying their products in an appealing way to attract customers. Additionally, they may provide advice on storage, preparation, and use of the produce. Fruiterers play an important role in providing fresh, healthy food options in many communities.